So I got quite a lot. I mean, my mind is like on fire now, in being in this group. And the seed was really planted when I met with Jenny, and we answered that first question. Um, it helped me identify this strong aspect of my personality and how I lead and who I am and all that. And then that seed got planted, and then more ideas came kind of bursting through, and clarification happened for me about um, a community group, two community groups that I want to set up, but I got more clarity around something I want to do around visibility. I won't say very much just yet, but my actions now are going to be to meet with two people here with Mark and Jerry, um, for different purposes. But yeah, it's all around, um, uh, I think meeting up with them over the next week or so, um, will expand my mind even more around visibility. Like it's going to expand. I just know it from talking to these two people. Um, and
Awesome.
yeah, I'm always flooded with ideas, way too many ideas, than I know what to do with. Um, but things are crystallizing, and I'm getting clarity as to which of my multiple ideas to sort of hone in on and run with.